Unleash your excitement with Vivo V30 Lite presents new inspirational color designs to celebrate with you the excitement of discovery and the admiration of innovation. অসাধারণ ক্যামেরা এক্সপেরিয়েন্সের সাথে লেটেস্ট টেকনোলজি ব্যবহার করে 3D ফ্ল্যাট ডিজাইনের স্লিক, স্লেন্ডার অ্যান্ড ওশো স্টাইল ফোন এখন তোমার হাতের নাগালে। The 7.79mm ultra slim design provides comfortable grip. The body weight of 186 gram offers a light grip, making the phone easy to carry in a bag or pocket. And the ripple on the black panel looks like the waves of grass blown by the wind. To make the green more present, আমরা আমাদের signature craft color changing technology ব্যবহার করেছি. This is the example of how art meets technology. Its look dazzling but not wild. Amidst the 0.67-inch UltraVision AMOLED DOS display with a high screen-to-body ratio combined with an ultra-slim design, যেটি আপনার হাতে একটি প্রিমিয়াম ফিল দিবে. The display breathes at 120 Hz of screen refresh rate. Our blast peak brightness up to 1800 nits, making it a perfect phone to use even under direct sunlight. Elevate your charging experience with the Vivo V30 Lite's 80-watt flash charge technology designed for the fast-paced world. It boosts an impressive power conversion efficiency of up to 97.5% ensure করে যাতে মুহূর্তের মধ্যে ফোনটি চার্জ করে দেয় আর খুব লো হিট জেনারেট করে। The 5000 microampere battery is a power-saving and reassuring. Designed for the long haul, it's offer an impressive 16.6 hours of YouTube streaming and 29.6 hours of calls. যেটি ensure করবে একটি longer connection plus with a 4 years of battery health lifespan, which means after 4 years of use, the battery capacity is still above 80% as new. You can trust your device to be a reliable companion for years to come. Multitasking, piece of cake. The V30 Lite দিচ্ছে combines 8GB of RAM with an additional 8GB of extended RAM, ensuring swift app launches and seamless transitions. Plus, store your memories, apps, and files effortlessly with 256GB of internal storage. Powerful Snapdragon 685 processor brings smooth experience. We adopted an 8-core CPU architect design. The Qualcomm Kaio CPU provides a peak speed of up to 2.8 GHz. The Snapdragon 685 adopts a 6nm advanced process with low power consumption, achieving excellent power saving effect. Camera. V30 Lite features a 50-megapixel autofocus main camera featuring bokeh flare portrait and multi-style portrait. Capture unique moments with various portrait style, effects and mitigate flickers with the flicker sensor. Enjoy sophisticated selfies with customized light effect for both photos and videos. Experience innovation and aesthetics with Android 14-based Funtas OS 14 out of the box. Experience the new Vivo V30 Lite, where innovation meets aesthetics.